Well, this is going to be a really short video. We're going to go from this, and we're going to put these on, the TST lights. So, just remember the look, because we're going to change it up. Almost done. Alright, there's the look. You can see the only thing sticking out now is the frame sliders, but there's signal left. There's signal left. Here's signal right, and just give it a start up so you can see all the lights. Alright. From an angle, you can even see the signal from an angle there. So they do stick out pretty good. It's still turned on, huh? There you go. All right. And there you go. New looks for the R7.